Hey folks, Captain Bill Polikoff here, your 2023 El Cheapo Tournament Director. I am so excited to introduce you all to a new, fully integrated registration and scoring system. Using this system will not only allow you to register, but on tournament day you'll be able to follow live scoring not only at the venue, but online as well. I did want to take just a minute to go through the registration process as it is new this year. And if you are just going to register as an individual angler, it's really easy. Just click the blue link that you see below that says register an individual angler, follow the prompts, and it will allow you to register. Where you check division, that's where you're going to check what your division you're entering, whether it be the general or the kayak or the lady tournament or the junior tournament. Now, where it gets a little bit different is when you're going to register multiple people. So yourself, your wife, your junior, and you want to register multiple people at the same time. This is where we're going to use that gold register a new team button. And I wanted to walk through that right now just so you can see how it works. So right here, I'm going to click on this register a new team, and it's going to ask you to give a team name. Now this doesn't show up anywhere other than in registration, so what I want you to do is just for your team name, just use your last name. Okay, or you can use any variation of last name and a first initial, however you want to do it. When you hit continue, it's going to ask for an email under boat information. It's going to ask for team email, and you want to just put the main email for your team. Once you do that, you hit save and close, and that's it. You're never going to have to edit your team again. Okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to come down to this angler box, and you can add up to 10 anglers. Okay? So when I click add angler here, I'm going to give it a name. And I'm just going to fill in this simple form. So male, here's my birth date. Y'all can send cards in the summer. Now here's where I'm going to pick what division I'm going to be fishing in. So this will be the general. I'll put in my city, state, and zip code, an email address, and a phone number. Next, you notice you have the Calcutta. So if you're going to join into the Calcutta, you're going to click that, and it's going to show you your angler fee is $150 right now. Now, when you're ready, you can go right here to hit save and add new angler to add your second angler. So I'll add Chloe. And then notice I can check this box right here that says the address is the same. And she's female. And I'm going to put her in lady angler. And just populate email address and phone number. And whether she wants to be in the tournament within a tournament or not. And you would literally go down and add all your anglers that you want. And then when you've added your last angler, you hit save and close. It will review the anglers that you've entered. You'll check that you've read the waiver, and you'll finalize and make payment. And right here is where you'll go ahead and you will submit your payment. Once you've submitted your payment, you'll get your confirmation and your angler numbers, and you will be ready to go. If you have any questions about this, over here on the right hand side is my email address. You can email me or you can call me and we'll get you all squared away. I greatly appreciate everybody's support for the 2023 El Cheapo Sheephead Tournament and look forward to seeing you soon.